All right, now let's use our own custom platform search tool. So let's say I would like to ask it what are the clinics in Spain that do dental treatment. And I basically want to ask it like, hey, use MTR for this. And yeah, we wait a bit. And with a lot of previews, which we don't care, let me just close these. You can see we get from Torremolinos, Mijas, Costa, and all the right cities in Spain. You get a bunch of clinics that specialize on dental treatment. So you have dental, dental, dental. So yeah, this one is pretty simple. Basically what it does, it goes on our platform in our search, completes certain filters there, specifies that it wants clinics, not hospitals, and a bunch of other filters, finds the results, and then outputs the results. This will helps us to save time when we don't have time to go through like the platform ourselves. And yes, that's pretty much it. So you can also like have custom tools which would, I don't know, crawl your platforms, or not your platforms, but platforms that are still useful for you. Save a lot of time going through them. I don't know, going through all the results, finding out, making summaries, finding out aggregated result, this thing that you're actually looking for. So yeah, super helpful.